Good afternoon, one and all, present on this online portal through specially designed DDUC KTHM Faculty Training Program application. Today is the last day of 7-day faculty training program jointly organized by Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samajas, KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science College Nasik and Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, University of Delhi. At the very outset, I congratulate you all on behalf of KTHM College and Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, University of Delhi for completing this 7 days faculty training program successfully. I also take this opportunity to express my gratitude to Dr. V.B. Gaikwad, Principal KTHM College Nasik and Dr. Hemchand Jain, Principal Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, University of Delhi for granting and approving us to organize this faculty training program. I am very happy seeing the overwhelming response to this innovative faculty training program on pedagogical training for effective online teaching and learning. Let me congratulate the entire organizing team of faculty training program for their efforts bringing the success to this faculty training program. These 7 days were full of learning and becoming one with the novel ideas in e-content development. I am very sure that ideas discussed in this faculty training program will help you enhancing your teaching. It will also make the students learn with more interest as they seem taking lot of interest in using technology. We all have witnessed thought-provoking session each day. Let me recapitulate in behalf brief all the sessions. On a very opening day, Sri Parameshwaram has given a plenary talk on digital initiative in higher education and Dr. Renu Solanki and Dr. Shaili Anand from Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, Delhi conducted a session on creating audio video lectures through Microsoft PowerPoint. The second day was engaged by Dr. M.N. Shelar and Dr. S.R. Pagar from KTHM College Nasik on Google Form, Google Doc, creating Google Quiz, automation of certificates using AutoCrack and Certify EM. On the third day, Dr. B.S. Balaji from Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi was discussed open educational resources and Dr. M.N. Shelar from KTHM College Nasik demonstrated how to send personalized bulk mail and mail merge. Dr. Deepika Bishla and Dr. R.C. Sharma from Ambedkar University, Delhi demonstrated creating online classrooms and organizing live sessions, meetings and ICT tools for classroom lectures from any of the 4 days. The fifth day was a combined venture of Dr. Deepak Bishla on Moodle and Dr. Unnati Gulati on MOOCs. Dr. Yogendra Pal from IIT Bombay talked about creation and editing of videos using open source software, and Mr. Tushar Kute delivered a fantastic lecture on creating YouTube channel on and uploading the videos on the next day. Today, one of our alumni, Mr. Manas Gazre, has conducted this faculty training program with his session on augmented and virtual reality. I am very sure he might have introduced you all with many upcoming technological advancements through his session. We all feel very proud on sky-touching success of Manas and wish all our best wishes to his glorious career. All the sessions were followed with a quiz which you have gone through. Friends, I am very confident that this faculty training program will prove a milestone in your teaching career as it has introduced you with several novel and creating tools of online teaching. It has brought a spark among all the participants for e-content development for effective online teaching of their respective subjects. I took forward that this faculty training program insight should not remain only up to you. I wish that you all will incorporate your understanding in your teaching, which will ultimately get resulted in the successful learning of your students. To conduct my valedictory remark, I wish you all a very successful and fruitful academic life. I urge you all to stay at home, be safe, and keep others safe as well. With these words, I conclude my speech. Thank you. Thank you very much.